everything is up. And yeah, that's why the money is like, money comes to the bank and money in and out.
Hindi na ako nagbibili ng mga damit, mga gano'n.
Kaya tipid-tipid muna kasi mukhang masyado nang mahal ngayon.
I think it's the grocery should be lowered.
Naghihigpit sinturon ang maraming mga Filipino sa Canada dahil sa pagtaas ng cost of living. Sa gitna nito, ang Liberal government nagbigay ng dagdag tulong para sa mga low and modest income earners. Ngayon, Biyernes, natanggap na ng higit 10 million eligible Canadian residents ang bagong Canada Grocery and Essentials Benefit mula sa federal government.
So today, eligible Canadians are receiving a one-time top-up payment of 50% of their annual GST credit amount. Then again, in beginning of July, those benefits will permanently increase by 25% over the next 5 years. And so for today's benefit, in total from an annual basis perspective, a single Canadian could receive up to $950 this year. And if you're looking at an average family of 4, you're looking at about $1,890 additional this year.
Ang mga eligible o may mas mababang sweldo, maaari rin ulit makatanggap ng dagdag payments o deposits sa July 3 at October 5. Ito ang dating programa ng gobyerno na GST-HST credit na nag-rebrand ngayon bilang Canada Groceries and Essentials Benefit.
And it's designed to help low and modest income Canadians afford groceries and everyday essentials at a time when many families are still feeling the pressure from higher costs.
Ang mga eligible para makakuha ng nasabing benepisyo, kinakailangan na nakapag-file ng Canadian taxes sa CRA para sa taong 2025.
If someone had in the past received, in January 2026, received the GST credit, they will automatically receive today's one-time top-up payment. The most important thing I want Canadians to do is to file their taxes. So the Canada Revenue Agency uses tax information to determine eligibility and payment amounts.
Ayon kay Filipina-Canadian Minister Retchie Valdez, bukod sa one-time top-up payments, may iba pa raw hakbang ang gobyerno para ibaba ang presyo ng gasolina at pabahay sa bansa.
What we've done is we've cut the consumer carbon tax and we've paused the fuel excise tax. This is going to bring relief at the pump, saving Canadians 28 cents per liter. So we've gone ahead and done that. For first-time home buyers, we have cut the GST on qualifying new homes for first-time home buyers.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.